Afternoon guys, Mitch of the Bushcraft here. Join me today as we do a field review of the RadBag. Stay with me. So as you can see, I've set up here in my backyard. Unfortunately, due to COVID restrictions, and here in South Africa at the moment we've got riots and unrest going on, so I'm unable to go to my usual camping spots to do a field test of the RadBag. As you can see here, I've got a basic setup with a rain tarp and a couple of trash bags, which I normally carry with me on a day hike, plus the RadBag. And summertime, even going into autumn, or as you guys will call it across the pond, fall, a setup like this together with the RadBag will be good for the night. Let me bring you in closer, show you what it looks like. Okay guys, well here I am in the RadBag under my shelter. I must say pretty nice and warm. Got about 4 inches of insulation beneath me, so I'm not going to get any convection from the ground. Got my RadBag over me. During summertime, this will definitely be very comfortable. Now, seeing as I'm going to be doing a bushcraft evening, let me show you what that setup looks like. Okay guys, so this is more of my bushcraft setup. As you can see, not a whole load has changed. I put a tarp down on the ground. I've got my jacket inside a pillowcase, which I use as a browse bag, so if I'm collecting wild edibles or collecting firewood, comes in handy for that as well. I've put a summer sleeping bag inside here. We are looking to drop down into the single digits Celsius and possibly even into the negatives tonight. Underneath, I've got my traditional sleeping mat made out of Cape Reed. Watch out for the video coming on that soon. Well guys, sun's going down, I'm getting hungry. Get ready for a cooking montage. As you can see, light has fallen. Had to get some extra lights out here so you guys can actually see me. Temperature at the moment is about 12 degrees Celsius. Together with the fire, got some dinner on the go. So far, life is good. Okay, so quick update. Just had some dinner. See, I've got my beanie on. Switch that off so I don't blind you. Had a good dinner. It was fantastic. If you guys want that recipe, let me know and I'll do an episode on it. Got the fire going. It's about 12 degrees at the moment, so not too bad. And I'll keep you guys updated through the evening. Well guys, it's about 9:30 at night. Fire's died down. Temperature is dropping down into the single digits. But so far so good. Well, evening guys, it's about 10:30 at night. Just take the temperature on my watch. External temperature sitting at about 6.8 or just below 7 degrees Celsius.
Inside the bivy, toasty 20 degrees. Feeling pretty comfy about life at the moment. Hi guys, well, it's about 1:30 in the morning. Outside temperature is about 4 degrees. I'm measuring it on my Casio Protec. Inside the bivy itself, the bivy brings the temperature up to about 12 degrees, and that plus the sleeping bag brings me up to about 18 degrees rather. So the RadBag is definitely doing the heavy lifting tonight. I'm feeling reasonably toasty, no major complaints, and I'll see you guys in the morning for a nice cup of moer coffee, and we'll wrap this video up and I'll give you my final thoughts.
Morning guys, it's about -2 degrees at the moment. Sun's just peeking its head over the horizon. I've got my coffee to warm me up. So my final impressions on the RadBag: summertime, you can definitely use it on its own. A lot of the adventure racers do that, where they just chuck this out on the ground and go to sleep. I personally prefer my mat. Winter time, would recommend a light sleeping bag with it. I used a very lightweight summer sleeping bag with it last night, and I was toasty the whole way through. Definitely felt the difference when I got out of it this morning. Would highly recommend this product. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.